A lot of people can't simplify an expression like this properly, and allow me to explain what I mean. So here we have 5 minus 2 times 5 minus 2. Now many people will say, well, 5 minus 2 is just 3, and then I've got another 5 minus 2, which is also 3, and if I multiply them together, well, then I get 9. And if you do it this way, then you're actually incorrect. And the reason for this is because of something called order of operations. Now, depending on where you're from, you might call this something different. If you're from the United States, maybe you'll call this PEMDAS. If you're from Canada, it's BEDMAS, and if you're from somewhere else, it's actually BODMAS. But no matter where you're from, they follow the same set of principles, and it essentially tells you the order in which math must occur so that it's standardized no matter where you are. So in all cases, you begin with parentheses or brackets, then you move to exponents or orders, and then you do the multiplication and division in the order it appears in the equation or expression from left to right, and then finally, the same way you do the addition and subtraction from left to right, how it appears in the equation or expression. Now let's apply these order of operations to the expression from before. Well, now I see that I need to do my parentheses first, so 5 minus 2 is 3. The rest of the equation remains the same. Next, I've got some multiplication, and so 2 times 3 is 6, and the rest of the equation remains the same, and as you can see, all I have left is subtraction. And if I do 5 minus 6, then my answer is -1. And if this is the answer you got when you solved it, you did it correctly.